Next step, we're gonna determine where to put the air supply registries. And this one of the air supply registry, you can see that, which is a hole on the floor, 4" by 10". So that's a 4" here, 4" here, 10" here. And normally, you gotta put a registry on one air supply registry in interior room and two on the in the exterior room. What is the exterior room? There's a room that has two sides of exterior walls, so one by each side. So we have one here, and we have another one over there. So those are the air supply. Move this and yes, air supply here. Air supply here.